Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what's new in the shop this week. So the new item this week is frames. So I'll just go through the frames that is in the shop, and the frames are 2 inches. I'll give you a dimension here, 2 inches by 2.5. And in the center of the frames there is, I printed one super dark so that you could see. There's a little bit of dimension. There's a crosshatch in the center, and in the lighter colors the crosshatch will show a little bit, like on the pastels, especially the pastels, yellow, the crosshatch shows a little bit, but it looks like there is texture on it. But again, I exaggerated the crosshatch here so that you could see. It's just so that it wasn't just white. And then like on here, you can see it a little bit on the yellow. It gives it texture. So let's go through. Another thing I wanted to go through today was all the different colors that is available in the store for every embellishment. So we're keeping a color palette going, and that way everything coordinates with everything. So this is apples and oranges. We have assorted and single color, I guess I should say, and all this is digital files. So as soon as you purchase, you get the download, and then you can print them over and over again as long as you want. So this is apples and oranges. This is summer carnival. This is seasoned spices. This is rainbow, radiant rainbow, and cozy cafe. So we have 6 different, and pastel paradise. So we have 6 different assorted. And then as far as the colors, we have brown, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, like different shades, we have pink, we have purple, we have red. I'll keep this one for last. We have dark gray, we have light gray, we have peach, we have dark orange and light orange, and then we have turquoise. And what I want to show you is I printed these in the light, the intensity. I printed it in light, normal, and intense. And what it does is that one color, I'll go with the second one here because I've already used the first one. So that one color, you get different intensity. So this is the light, this is the medium, and that's the dark. So that's the same file. When I use my printer, I just decided on the intensity. And I do have a video explaining how to do this on my YouTube channel under digital embellishment, printing digital files. And I did it with my printer, but I'm sure if you look on your printer, it might be called something else, but it would be under, colors. Now, we had these viewfinders. We had the 2 inches, we had the 1.5, and the 1 inch. Now the 2 inch has just a regular little circle in the middle, and then with the 1.5 and the 1 inch, we did with little hearts. Well, we had quite a few people ask if we could just do normal viewfinders with no hearts. So this week, as part of the release, the 1.5 and the 1 inch, you can now get them with the heart. So it'll say with heart, and when you look at the files, you'll see the heart, and then just regular, just with the regular holes, and again in all the different colors. So now the 1.5 and the 1 inch, you can get them with the holes like this. So this one here with this version, you can get 1, 1.5, and 2, and then the hearts you can get 1 and 1.5. Okay, so that is what is new in the shop. If you're wondering where to find these, go to NicoleJones91.com. There is a link in the description box below. It says for more information on my classes. I should change that to classes and embellishments. So, and it's instant. So as soon as you purchase, you get the file right away. And then you can print it at home or get them printed at your local print shop. The only thing I would caution is make sure to print with no borders so that you can get the maximum, the true size of the embellishments. And that's it. That is what was released this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.